Allie, what do you think we should do? We could always play jacks.
I hate jacks.
Well, what do you think we should do?
Oh, let's do Mortal Kombat.
What's that? Allie, what's that? I thought something's dying.
I don't know. What was that?
I don't know.
Knock knock. Hola, Holmes. Mi llamo es Mexicano el gato e hat e sombrero.
What?
Huh?
I'm the Mexican cat in the hat.
Oh.
Hola, Holmes.
No! No putting that in the house. You know Mom's rules.
Did anybody hear anything? Because I heard lunch. Fish tacos.
You can't eat our fish. That's our goal.
What's up? I'm here at the party. Let's have a good time. Now everybody dance!
MixtapeRadio.net. Now walk it out, 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 now
Now see, wasn't that fun? See, you guys have nothing to do? Then we will do what we do in Mexico. We will use our imaginations. Everybody sing it with me. Imagination, imagination, imagination. You're not singing the imagination song. I am the cat in the hat, and we will have fun. Now you will sing the imagination song, and you will like it.
I don't know the imagination song.
Imagination. Now think of a wonderful world where you'd like to be. What would you be doing? Sorry, I had to clean.
What do you want to do?
We can play b-ball, ball, and street basketball.
Gotta hoop. It ain't working though.
We don't even have basketball anymore.
Use your imagination. We can imagine that the house was a wreck.
Then what
Poof! It's a wreck.
Put a house back the way it was.
Cannot.
Do it.
It's up to you. Now I'm going.
Guys, no! No, get back here! Look at this.
Look what he did.
What do we do?
I don't know, but it's gonna be my fault.
Yeah, you're the oldest, and Mom's gonna be home like any minute.
Oh my God, she's gonna kill us.
Yup. What do we do?
I know. I have a button, and it says easy on it. You push it, it says easy. You need to clean the whole thing.
Go get it.
I don't know where it is.
You know help. Find it in the mess.
6 hours later.
We're finally done cleaning the house.
I know, Mom comes home in 10 minutes. At least she was late. She had a lunch date.
Thank God for lunch dates. Let me tell you what.
See? Wasn't that fun? Did we
No.
not have fun?
No.
It was fun. Come on. You guys found it.
No.
See, my job here is done.
What job? You messed up our house.
It was fun.
A little bit, yeah. Making a mess is always fun.
It is.
Yeah.
And you learn responsibility by cleaning it up.
Yeah, so we won't get killed by our mother.
That's
Yeah.
right. See,
And she
do
never
it
would've
again
been-
tomorrow.
No.
I have to go. Goodbye.
Where are you going, Cat in the Hat?
I have to go back to Mexico. There are 2 sad children who are waiting for me there. I'm off.
No!
Oh, he's gone. We don't have to make another mess.
Thank God for that. But
Mixtaperadio.net. Hey, now walk it out. 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 DJ Mike on the track. Walk it out. DJ on. Southside walk it out. We at it again, baby. Northside walk it out. Here we go.